Champions League ni kosona. And for me, Mushishu, Mr. Chelsea Jesse. Now there's a story behind why and the Master Chelsea Jesse. Medical diabetes just say me nyapani good follow at Jesse. If you London, Chelsea official shop at the Abraham. Now rich. Since a good follow DJ cinema me no.
On share.
Me share that. Me tia me share that and say, me see oh, me China da Chelsea be share no.
Okay, now go watch.
Na me timi ashe. Na at least me dey celebrate
Chelsea for.
Which my China how much to me share. Until we marry say.
Oga sa wo twa be che. Be che papa. Konko fo ni tim ni de. Ayi se mfie mienu se ne.
Ayi se me zone sa.
Na wo go bi kro ma na okoto twede.
Na me de ba. Na unim. Ade eye manika kakra ne se. Omo ka kire yen se. Enzo Maresca will turn yen into believers.
Yeah, doubters, no.
Omo can start doubting Enzo.
Okay.
Yeah, it's your baby. I don't see you. Enzo Maresca be more believer. I feel more can say to me, I doubt Enzo Maresca. Na, and I mean, who Chelsea lineup? You know. This man, if he thinks that he has arrived, yes, and he can change and experiment at any no. Who Malo Gusto Moti bench
now? I say Chelsea board name
right back. To say, so
when he changes be annoying.
Just because when you freedom with Chelsea, now come there, Kuntia.
Abraham time
akomko
kawa permanent da odi media grodo and me Chelsea fan but sometimes papa no
unim
as or the Chelsea no experiment I don't know
beyond Maresca which asema make a quite will come back to him who should go to Chelsea concede here now. It is as if say the players were confused whenever him which tactics are we playing. Because 2 goals no consider any na. You could clearly see a conflicting of roles. Look at the cross nearby. Now for Fona, center back I would box. He is very very tall. Obi the ball go wings. Only say any other cross ball number. Striker na ye any cross ni to no. Sama anu ojina wachi. Then you are right in front of him. Like unconcerned, na cross na ba na atano ahead ya se. She will be a big catara far ball. Oh, nobody is crossing him down. Nobody.
Or the ball never no man space. No ball na. Nyama basa.
Which I know Barcelona say 2-1. But no couldn't I wasn't convinced about their performance. No crack. Say Barcelona ebo ball home. Now it has to take Jules Koundé 2 headers to win us the game. It tells you something. And yet about ball possession, you know. And yet about intensity in the ball, no. But we didn't do enough. Senka a team papa I think say no anke bia anka ye nyawe. O so anka no mga say Liverpool me hwehwe ni mu team ba. You catch it say o me hwehwe ni mu team. Games be say na wa write you off no. Ubu wan so makofa we no e de aba no matter what controversy obey eno after Tottenham etini omonamunti enough of enra games no yembe and I think say any games will be more of the predictions because time no call I was say baby house of folk and come on look come back for the bar Champions League this season Uto Kudu and way in America omonya de barrage they are very very offensive team. They love to score goals. They love to attack. Against Ayas, me a very very open game. Villarreal form. And I don't expect Copenhagen to go to Saramika and beat them. So Bibia say a question I was saying, at least a Villarreal double chance should be very, very okay. Look, football na Bibia beti yesi here. And we say Paris Saint-Germain are losing some players. Dembele, even Omu goalkeeper Chevalier, Munina Prepra. But Rich, say what's your report from Le Parisienne? PSG for team no medical game anymore. I think they should be able to do the job. But before I do let's do this. And a big game now. Rich and Tia is simple. Before you share our city team way or tactical board no so. For Real Madrid purposes in T. Rich, yes, and Real Madrid will play the usual 4-3-3, you know, under Xabi Alonso. Now this is what he is planning to do. Courtois will pull. Freddy Bavadi number 2. Alvaro Carreras number 3. Asensio Rudiger 4 and 5. Chiomani the number 6. Adam Goulet number 8. Jude Bellingham number 10. Then Enumho. Rich. Even in the absence of Kylian Mbappe, the probable 11 if it tractor sources everybody say still now Rodrigo the Ghost will not play. And I'm surprised. What they are saying is in the front 3, Vinicius will keep in the position. Anyone will go for Gonzalo. Oh, my young striker now, or more call for FIFA Club World Cup. Then on the right, Franco Masantuano. That is the Real Madrid 11. Now, Rich, if that is so, we were only one challenge. And he said, in the main 4-3, it is only going to reach your money who will be defensive minded. Yes, Jude Bellingham will give you work rates. But Rich, it is not enough to complement Abanti Ayefeno Chomani in this space. Other Gule are forgetting. Defensively on your web, I could say. He doesn't even have the physicality to deal with it. Now, against this City team, which according to transfer sources, you know, the only change remember, whether Tijani Randers will play and also Bobo Ryan Sheki. You can say same for Man City. Say Chomani in Kwane Bobo na so Bredia. And then Kadiko Gonzalez in Kwanso so as a low number 6 or Bebre. But the fact of the matter, they say, in Pimpri I didn't come which City team no, I am more composed, I want more intensity than Real Madrid. And City without the ball, you will still have players be say either Tijani Renders, Bernardo Silva coming in to put pressure on the ball. You can say same for Tima, your friend Real Madrid. And see, any game media, I've never in my life seen Real Madrid go into a game which they feel less of themselves. It is a game way.
And then as I story now, say Olusi Bepam. I agreed, Fifi. I be upset.
You see, and I was listening to Golem Balek, and an oil report for BBC. Balek, top journalist. Or say there are two sides to Adiana.
Okay.
Only Xabi Alonso a camp Ebun Koma. Almost say still now Omuji say it is too early to send Xabi Alonso. And that baby as Real Madrid situation they call do and son of Omasake no. Omuji say won't do Oma didn't know. It is Xabi Alonso in the camp. Omuji say oh yes, and no man quit, but you didn't do the stage. You because I say I was say a pommy. But also the other side they also say, look, players and the coach, you know, Etienne Homa so. Oba, you know, you practice, you be or the other career, my team say, you bought something special for them fire, only identity, yeah. And so Obama say, only players say, why you've not been able to exert your identity. No result that say a coach yawa. I say Xabi Alonso name like Real Madrid. That is according to Golem, not me. And we are talking about a Spanish journalist who are trusted for years. So that is the situation. Rich, meaning Real Madrid can do what Liverpool did. Show big boys some, and on the night, tell the whole world, say, yeah, come with your more, and you're letting yourself.
A Madrid team are there depending on Kylian Mbappe.
But
Mbappe is super example.
As a terminal, the only news I know about from Kylian Mbappe say, you think Kylian Mbappe on Brian.
Finger.
Yes, the left ring finger.
Okay.
And almost see a more fracture.
Say no video with me about.
From a new never seen it all of a sudden now, he's being ruled out of the game, sir. Which anyway you see it, look, you said me said any out of some say Madrid is in crisis situation. Say, which City team under pressure, they also break. Who attack man, they break. Anything will be out. It is a Real Madrid, even in this, I can say, and they look queer one team, no. Now, I'm finding Vinicius money, I'm pressing wedding 1v1 against Matthias Nunes. Rich, what's why I expected Real Madrid to be beaten. Now, they are fighting in the game. It should be very, very measured. I think say at least over 1.5 billion.
Okay.
I don't trust this City team. Yeah, fine. They are favorites because of the situation. Real Madrid, but be careful about team and friend Real Madrid. Serena Americano. I think say Paris Saint-Germain should be good enough for the Bilbao a away game. So an over 1.5 any double chance for PSG. Or the good news is that Inaki is back in the lineup. Paris Saint-Germain also are having injury situation. Serena Americano. May take for the Parisians say this small boy called Janto ever starting game as Paris Saint-Germain striker. Then Isaiah Emery Ebebo our number 251 day BBS Sanzao Neves any Vitinha any Fabian Ruiz Ebebo 50. Varaskelia is expected to play. Bacola is also expected to play. Defense led by Marquinhos. I think it's a double chance for Paris Saint-Germain. Juma Bodo Glint article. Any BB article. It's a good game for team friend Dortmund. It will fear in that one. Now Fifi Eka, the two Catanasio coaches, Benfica and Napoli. Why and ever chair the Bobre and there. It is a game I don't see anything from that game, no. Bayern 04 Leverkusen in Newcastle game, no. Rich, and Una, who the two senior, you could predict at least 2 goals be out of the game. But maybe so catch and say, Rich, we can go into the game and pinche, you will not even be able to see any goal. But I think say, the Bay Arena, very, very exciting venue on the game, you know. The BRB Akoye and the goals, you know, LPM. I don't expect Juventus to lose against Pafus Eofie at the Allianz Stadium. Since Spalletti by a normal Ekoye at the Emma Omo. So that is the wrap. Now, Rich, the good news, and I say, make sure we quote, you know. This is the say December where we are starting rollover 3 days. Emra, Diano, Namiya Yadum, and Boye. So what it means is that say we are starting with a minimum of 100 cedis, you know, and now pay our 300 cedis or the area the roll over no. Into what I do is say maybe kind roll over. A code no at home. Na yatimi akoyenim. Into the roll over code before no one will do you know. I and them will be rolling over the code no. BW 280 CD4 FC BW 280 CD4 FC. Now and the games, you know, we are interested. There are only 2 codes for any combined games. You know, very, very nice codes. And I say A2 pe BW 2810 E5 3D and BW 2811 422 1D into 2 codes are obetimi afa na ode Ayala de nti we roll over no enu boy and they say ekobiem na ene games ni mienu which answer na metna no the papa down for people na any birthday no for show ni miagro
okay
the friend bra kojo oti asokore mampo
okay
oye adwuma e wo taxi rank na e wo Transcare I think Transcare was south and Dresel Transcare taxi rank ho I want to bra kojo oti asokore mampo ya e ho eno oye adwuma ene any birthday nti bra kojo be a wo bia no me say e dia wo ti show no mama we show happy birthday which now we see after the house I hear they also here